Greetings from Obi Nnukwu Chineke. You are highly blessed and empowered to achieve greatness with your brain and your 5 fingers. Through the existence of the wind, water, and sand that our creator Chukwu Okike Abiama uses to sustain all humans and monitors all the activities on Earth, without error both in physical and in the spiritual realms, to avoid blacklist after death. Truly, we are safe and secured to be here on Earth to witness the creation of our Creator, the owner of all humans and languages. Today is Nkwo market day in Igbo land. May your day be fruitful. May the wind, water, and sand that knows all the suitable things for humans' betterments grant you the good things of your requests, Isa. So shall it be. May all humans shows you love and kindness in your daily activity to place food on your table, Isa. So shall it be. You are truly safe and secured here on Earth through the existence of the wind, water, and sand that monitors all the activities of humans before death. Be creative with your brain and 5 fingers, supporting the existence of humanity. From Obi Nnukwu Chineke, the blessings of the universe. Onya Ndu, Ikuku Chineke, the messenger of the truth after life.